Okay, next one up is this sweet Ducati V2. This is one we did do previously about a year ago. This gentleman is getting ready to go on a trip, so he thought he would treat it to a bit of trot TLC. She's looking pretty sad for herself in places. Not had properly been cleaned since we did it last, so she's in desperate need of a whole heap of trot love. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, which will include some XCP corrosion protection. We'll get all that exhaust all minted up, the usual bits and pieces, get these wheels all minted. I will do a single stage polish. He didn't want any ceramic, but it's got a few marks in it, so I will polish those out and yeah, get it looking like it should, all ready for his trip to Spain. Give me a couple of hours. There you go, 2 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Ducati V2 Streetfighter has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Had one of our legendary full Monty valets, which includes a Snowfoam safe wash, degrease, decontaminate. We missed XCP corrosion protection on all the motor. We did some extra polishing on all the exhaust pipe. Degreased all the old chain lube off, blow dried it, re-lubed it back up. Really gave that a good coating with chain lube. Polished up all the exhaust up underneath. Exhaust has come up like new. I did a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Had a couple of marks on the back, which I've removed. Absolutely gleaming. This is one of our legendary full Monty valets. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.